Okay, so almost immediately after putting up my attendance tracker app, I started getting a lot of feedback as to how people liked it, and decided to build it as a app and put it on the App Exchange so that everyone could have it. However, it didn't fit quite everyone's needs, and I know some people they can't afford that. So the question is there a way to build it inside of Salesforce, even though it would compete against the app that I just spent all that time putting out there? So here's what we do. In campaigns, we're going to start with a master grouping. Think of this as your program. And then we're going to have a bunch of children campaigns, which are like your sessions or your daily attendance that you want to track. So we create our master campaign first, and then we'll add all the members that are supposed to be in this campaign. Okay, now this is just for tracking, so we're not actually going to be making use of this. So we're just going to add all of our members. And you can use these filters. You should already know how to do these if you're familiar with campaigns. If not, we're just going to use a filter so that I can find everybody without a title. But you can use other pick list and other filters. And we're going to add these with the status of sent. Now, sent means we're expecting them to come, and responded we're going to use for they were present. Okay. All right. Now we go back to our master campaign, and we're just going to clone this campaign. And I'm just going to copy this and put this in the parent campaign because that's what we want to use it. And then I'm going to wipe this out. And we're going to call this our program session, and we're going to mark the date that we're expecting to track attendance on. And of course, mark it as active. And down here, I've put the parent campaign, which is our program. Now, since the members are not carried over from our parent campaign automatically, we can go and add them again, or we can instead do this. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use a report of campaign members, and we're going to select our parent campaign. So we take our master campaign, and we just run this report, and it spits out those members that we stuck in our parent campaign, and then we're able to just go and click add to campaign, and this is where we're going to pick our session that we just created. So here's our session, and we want to mark them as sent because we don't know if they're here yet, and then we just go and add to campaign. And then we go back over here to our session campaign, we hit refresh. We see we now have members. We can go into our members. We can edit our members, just like attendance. Yeah, let's say these people are here, these people are not here. So everybody that's here, we're just going to mark as responded. And now we've got these people that are here. Okay? And then the next day, we just continue to repeat this pattern for every day forward. As long as we're within the same program, we can just keep clicking clone. We're now just going to update the date now that we've gotten started, so it's the next day. Be sure to mark it as active. Click save. Then we go back to our report. This is actually the same report, so we're adding the same members every day. A little bit of a manual process. Again, sent, and this is why you want the naming convention to be the same over and over again, so that it just makes it kind of easier to quickly add these to the correct one. Then we add to the campaign. We're done there. And I have these just opened in other tabs at the top of the screen. You just can't see them. And then from there, we can, continue on. We can click refresh. We again see our members have been added. And we can keep going like this. And you can also see the hierarchy here, where you see the master campaign. There's your program, and here's your sessions for each day that you're keeping track of. That's pretty much it. That's how you would keep track of them in campaigns. So try this method out and compare it to my app, which is now in the App Exchange for attendance trackers. See what you like better. And thanks for your time.